Welcome to High Fly Markets. This video is to actually let you know that you can trade the market as a professional. You can have a holistic understanding of how the market works and be able to make excellent profit every trading day from the markets. For a while now, we've been talking about the crash of the global markets to their respective bottoms and low, because in the market, for every top there is a high, and for every bottom there is a low. And what is currently happening right now globally around the world is the overall deflationary burst of the global markets, that started from the year 2008, and then to the year 2023. And then this, from 2023, the market has been, trying to finish up the last stage of the deflationary burst, that is the crash of the global markets to respective bottoms and lows. So, and we have been saying a lot about that the markets are actually on the verge of collapsing to their respective bottoms and lows. And we have equally told you the reason why this is happening. It is happening as a result of the fact that the baby boomer generation actually retired and then the economy that they drove up are actually collapsing in order to give way for the new generation to drive the next boom market, or the next boom economy, as the case may be. So here I want to show you how to really approach this market. I want to show you how to trade professionally, because I notice that a lot of people are always asking for the wrong reasons, asking for the wrong things, asking for proofs and all sorts of stuff. But there is no proofs that is more than understanding this market, because without the understanding of the market, you only make profit today and then you lose it tomorrow. It's just like what a lot of so-called experts on the internet do. You see people who call themselves experts using a 1 minute chart to trade. A 1 minute chart to trade, and then tomorrow you find out they make money today, tomorrow they lose money, because of the fact that they don't even know what they're doing and they don't have a holistic approach to the market. So in this video I want to show you that the market is very simple if you understand it, and you can always join us to have the best of knowledge, the best of training that you can get anywhere in the world, that we expose all the underground workings of the market, such that you'll be able to know at every point in time what the market is doing and the overall view of the global market and economy. So here we've been talking about the market, taking the last stage or the last phase of the crash to respective bottoms. Here, when you look at what you're seeing, this is a chart, a BTC to US dollar chart. Here, this is the month of July 2025. The month of July 2025, already we have seen that the market, in the month of June, The beautiful thing about the market is that it's always telling us something. It's always telling us something. It's always revealing something that is about to happen. But the problem is, do you understand the signs of the market, the patterns of the candlesticks? Do you understand what the market is revealing to you, and to know what else to do and the best position to take, or the best decision to take with respect to buying or selling in the market? So here, if you look at last month where we have that last month, which is June, this is last month, last month is this is last month June. This is last month June 2025. This is this month July 2025. So in June 2025 we had a pattern formed here called, this is bullish engulfing pattern. This is a BTC to US dollar chart. So bullish engulfing pattern showed us that, gives us an idea that in the next month, which is the July we are in now, that this is a bullish engulfing pattern here. So giving us a direction that the market is actually moving upward. So from here now, the market, so what you are supposed to do is, once this pattern has been formed here, you start buying. You know that the direction of the market is a bullish direction, so you start buying, start looking for buying position to buy in the market. And then you see that immediately in the next as the new month July 2025 opened, you find out that the market retraced around here to form what we call market retrace around here to form what we call a top, and you can see it coinciding with this place. Formed a top around here, and then after that you find out that the market actually continued. This top continued because it formed another pattern here, another pattern where you have the red candle and then the blue candle, which is the bullish candle, giving us another pattern that this top could not prevail to drive the market down. So another pattern formed here, a bullish pattern again, letting us know that the market is heading for a high, because for every top the market forms, you should be expecting a high. Understand? So here is the top. For market actually formed the top price, that is in the month of, at the beginning of the month of July. This month July, we formed a top here, but that top is not enough to drive the market bearish. So the market continues and forms what we call here a double pair, the two little stuff here, a double pair, a bullish double pair, and then this bullish double pair drove the market so high to form a high, which has just formed on this place. This is an evening star. This pattern is an evening star which has been formed, letting us know that yesterday actually actually finished up, completed this evening star. So once the pattern has been formed, then that lets you know that the market is now ready for an overall crash, because right now you can see that the market is fully ready for the overall crash. So from today now, you'll be expecting to sell, as in you have to start selling BTC from this moment. And you can see today have already started. the market has gone to retrace to retest the average here. That's the moving average here, around here, where we have there's around 100 and, you know, 117961.14. You know, it's testing it, but it's not going to break that place. And once the market touches that very resistance point, you find out that the market will start crashing down. So we're expecting you to sell any moment from now. Sell, sell BTC. If you are still holding a buy on BTC, this is the best time to sell everything about BTC, because this is the highest point BTC will go after this. So BTC is going to crash from this moment, and the concise, you can see this is the high, while this is the top. This is the top, this is the top, and this is the high of BTC. So today, Tuesday, you have to start selling BTC, because the pattern has been formed to drive to crash the market to, and the BTC we're talking about is going to crash from this very current price where it is. The ultimate price, or the ultimate bottom of BTC that BTC is crashing to, is around $3,000, around $3,000. So BTC is going to crash all the way from where it is right now at 117961.14 to $3,000. So that is that for BTC. So start selling BTC from now. And you see that the market is always very, very, the market is always telling us what to do. You see, BTC is also preparing. When we look at another, go and look for another market, check another trading instrument. Let's assume we are checking. Let's see. Another trading instrument. You see the BTC is telling us that the market is about to crash. You should start selling. We'll look at euro US dollar. The same thing, euro US dollar is has also formed a pattern here. You can see the euro US dollar has also formed a pattern. Euro US dollar has also formed a pattern here. See, an evening star is an evening star here, very tiny evening star, also giving us that euro is also falling. Look at it. So you're selling, all counter currencies are on their way crashing, so they are crashing down. Then we'll check another one. Let's see another currency again, because the market is always very consistent, telling us what to expect. Let's see another good global stock, because forecast all the